Australia is taking a page from Silicon Valley's playbook, placing bets on biotechnology and digital healthcare. Here is a look at some of the biotech companies working to keep Australia out of recession following the collapse of the mining industry. Melbourne-based Star Pharma is using nanotechnology to create a unique new way of delivering cancer drugs without the nasty side effects such as hair loss, nausea and bone marrow damage. The company recently signed a licensing agreement with UK drug maker AstraZeneca to commercialise the technology. Fibrotech Therapeutics, a drug company developing therapy to heal scar tissue after kidney failure in diabetics, was sold to Irish pharmaceutical company Shire last year in one of Australia's biggest ever biotech transactions. The value of the deal will rise to about $1 billion once the drug is approved. In Melbourne's Parkville precinct, a biomedical cluster at the edge of the city centre, 10,000 researchers and clinicians are working on projects ranging from flu vaccines for the World Health Organization to genetics and cancer research. Australian universities are also getting on board. In 2012, the University of Melbourne launched the Melbourne Accelerator program, offering startup firms $20,000 in seed funding, office space, mentoring and investor trips to Silicon Valley. Next year, it will launch a Master of Entrepreneurship modelled on similar programs at US universities such as Stanford and MIT. Quanta Care Technologies, a medical technology startup, won an accelerator grant in 2014. It is developing walking frames fitted with Fitbit-like sensors to measure the gait of elderly people and work out whether they're at risk of having a fall. The cost of falls last year in the US alone reached $40 billion. It's expected to get worse as the world's population ages. The company has already caught the eye of Janssen Pharmaceuticals, a unit of Johnson & Johnson. It's too soon to say whether Australia's gamble on healthcare will pay off. The risks are high. Fewer than 5% of Australian startups succeed, compared with 8% in Silicon Valley.